Kiran purchased 200 dozen notebooks at the rate of rupees 240 per dozen. A bunch of 48 notebooks were wasted in transportation and became worthless. He sold the remaining notebooks at rupees 320 per dozen. Calculate his profit or loss. So he bought 200 dozen notebooks, but of course out of these 200 dozen, 48 notebooks, so this is in terms of notebooks, 48 notebooks, while this is in terms of dozen, 200 dozen. So 48 notebooks will actually equate to 4 dozen notebooks. So each dozen, 1 dozen is equal to 12 notebooks. So we divide 48 by 12, so we get 4 dozen notebooks. So here we know the cost price, which is 200 dozen multiplied by 240, and we also know the selling price, which will be 320 per dozen, and the number of books that he was able to sell will be 200 dozen minus 4 dozen, because 4 got wasted. So he sold only 196 dozen notebooks while he purchased 200 dozen notebooks. And then we have to find the profit or loss. So once we find out what is the cost price and what is the selling price, we will be able to find out what is the profit or loss. So first we find out the cost price, which is equal to 200 multiplied by 240. So this is equal to 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So 48,000 rupees. And the selling price is equal to, so 200 minus 4 dozen, which is 196, multiplied by 320. So 320. So let's find this out. So 196 multiplied by 32, 6 2s are 12, 1 carry over, 9 2s are 18, plus 1 19, 1 carry over, 2 1s are 2, plus 1 3, 6 3s are 18, 1 carry over, 9 3s are 27, plus 1 28, 2 carry over, 3 1s are 3, plus 2 is 5. So 2, 9 plus 8 is 17, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 5 plus 1 is 6. So, and then we'll put the 0 that we had excluded to simplify our calculation. So the selling price is 62,720 rupees. So even though he lost some of the notebooks, but he made the profit by selling it at a higher price, much higher price, to even cover the cost of the lost notebooks. So now definitely the selling price is bigger than the cost price, so there is a profit. So profit is equal to 62,720 minus 48,000. So 0 2 7, so this becomes 5, 1 carry over, 12 minus 8 is 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. So 14,720 rupees is the profit.